Let's go, babies. Dismount. Let's go, sweet babies.
Come here.
Come on, we're gonna wait inside over here, Buddy Row. Easy, Forrest G. Oh, you're okay, buddy. You're okay, man. You're okay.
What's happened?
That puppy's name's Whiskey, buddy. Play with Whiskey. Okay, go play with the puppy dog. Go play with him. And folks, here's a look around a nice laundry here. Man, they got all brand new stuff, brand new equipment.
See, Whiskey. Come here. Here's Whiskey.
Hey, get some water, buddy. Gotta cool off a little bit.
579.
Oh, he's going after the chips.
Keep at it.
Share her sister. Good job, son. Alright, folks, this is Franklin's Wash, Dry, and Fold. And here's your prices. I'm going to take a picture of this sign. Everybody asked me, you know, how much does it cost for laundry and stuff like that. Let me take a picture. This is a 2-hour laundry. I said, well, how long, you know, until you get your laundry back? 24 hours? He said, 2 hours. Now, if you drop off a bunch of stuff, maybe more, but this is a 2-hour laundry service just on the backside of Angeles University Foundation. Like if you take a right at the Sports Center and then take a left on Manuel, what's this, Manuel K-Zone? We're down here on the left. There you go, right there. Franklin's Laundry drop off. And 2-hour service, according to the lady. My goodness. Yeah, Whiskey eat that snack, no problem. Good job, Maria. Oh, how's your head, boy? You take a little battle damage. You got a little scrape right there. You'll be all right, man.
Moo moo there, moo moo there, moo everywhere, moo moo. Miss Farmy had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yes, Paul.
Throw it. Throw it again.
Little baby shark, little baby shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark,
Oh, easy. Whiskey's thirsty. Now let him take a drink first, sweetie. You need some water. Riding in the back of this here aircraft. They're doing an earthquake drill. September 8 at 8 a.m. Oh shit. That's pure entertainment right there. Taking pictures of the earthquake drill. Squat down, put your hands over your head, kiss your ass goodbye. The church called Our Lady of Lourdes Parish Church. Beautiful building. When I first saw that, it reminded me of the Alamo. Alright, here we go. Play a game of chicken getting across this here road. Look at there, the water's just parted for us, my friends. They knew the king was on board. I got security up there blocking the road. Hell yeah. Like I said, riding in the back like Donald J. Trump. Look at that. Got my blue suede shoes on. Alright, so here we go. Caught up in some lap traffic. Oh goodness. So many beautiful ladies in the back of that there Jeepney. Coming through this here traffic circle. An armored shoebox. It's a hot one here today in Angeles City, I promise you. Back of my arms out in that sunlight, it's like baking. It's like I'm in an oven. I love it. Look at that. That arm, that leg, woo! It's like an oven. Want to see what everyday life is like here in Philippines? Here's the traffic jam. Everybody trying to get by. Take a big old whiff and you're sucking up Jeepney fumes. And that bumper right there, right on my leg. That old lady laying over there. Oh, I see 3 sets of feet down there. Hey. Bistro. That's the old Jazz Grill back in action. Car still over there. Riding in the back like Donald J. Trump. What can I do? Are you making soup?
Yes.
Wow, you got your own cooking show, Maria.
Yes. It's the food.
Is your cow? What's your cow doing over there? Is he helping? Okay. Wow, sweetie. I think you would do good with your own cooking show.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Okay.
So sweet, sweetie girl. What are you cooking here, Maria? Potatoes? Cabbage? Yeah. All right, and what you got over here? Chicken?
Yes.
How are you going to cook the chicken, Maria? Strawberry chicken?
Yes.
Strawberry chicken sounds delicious, sweetie girl. Okay, Papa, get the grill going and you can make your strawberry chicken, okay? What is this woman doing? What is Mama doing there? Okay, looks like Filipino wife number 2 is finna go to town on the calamansi tree. Baby, I like those shorts. My goodness. Got that old tummy peeking out. Looking beautiful today. My goodness, baby. Oh yeah, I got it caught up in the net. Baby, listen, I'm warning you now. You know there's an electrical wire up there hanging loose, right? That's not a carbon fiber tripod. You kept yakking me about buying one. That's not carbon fiber, so if you hit that electrical line, I'm gonna get it on video. Look at this old girl, folks. Look at this big girl. Easy, big mama. Easy, big mama. Easy, baby. Listen, the calamansi is not worth you getting electrocuted on that line. Oh, baby, watch the line. There we go. There we go.
Papi, Forrest.
Go, big mama. Get it, girl. Get it, baby.
Papi, baby.
Hey, look at there. You're going to chop the water pipe back there trying to get a 2 peso lime. My God. Right next to the wire. She's going, folks. Doesn't know to turn a Filipino when she wants a free calamansi. Baby, you got a little tummy peeking out of them shorts. Folks, it's such a hot one today. That gate right there is like an oven. It's like standing next to an oven because that sun's been beating down on that gate. It is hot today. But you know what? It almost looks like it's about to rain and cool things off over there. Sure does. Baby, easy on that tree, baby. Look at this woman. Baby, I have no idea what you said. But that's okay. I just like looking at you. 'Cause I like big And I cannot lie. Hey, you ain't been working but for like 2 minutes. All that effort in to get 2, no, make it 3. Oh, make it 4 calamansis. Good job, baby girl. How many you got? All right, let me see. Get a close up here for the viewers. Folks, all that work was for 4 calamansis.
Oh, look, the 5.
What?
Look, your 5.
Baby, I'm looking at fire right here. Damn, I'm about to blow up my water. Alright. Look at that dragon. Let's tame that dragon. What are you eating?
David. I'm hungry. I want to eat David.
Go ahead.
Mama, timate.
Can you get?
Oh. Oh, they're full.
Throw one piece of wood on there. A little flavor. Oh yeah. That's gonna smoke it up right there. Alright. A little bit of oil in the lodge. Whoa. Whoa, don't fall off. The live. Put that in there. Let that heat up, and I'm gonna throw the vegetables to it. Love this reversible griddle. Now it needs to be cleaned up, obviously. See, you can take this reversible griddle. What I do, I just use this thing sort of as a heat block. If it's gonna flame up, let it flame up. You can flame up underneath this right here. Yeah.
Why you not put that in the finger? The way the cubes is in there.
Huh?
Why the here is there?
Where?
No.
Where the cube?
In there.
I don't know. What are they doing in here?
Mine.
I think my daughter put them in there.
Why you not put that in the pot?
Huh?
Why you not put there?
Why is everybody back here sitting on the ground?
It's hot. It's cold in here.
It's cold back there?
No, in there. So hot.
Yeah, it's hot around there. What is Chocolate Mousse up to? There's Chocolate Mousse. Chocolate Mousse is eating some food. Who's that coming out of the hole over there? Oh, it's been one of them days. Been one of them days. But you know what? As long as you end your day with a barbecue, some beer, eat with your family. I want you to take a look at this chicken. I just turned it over. Just check out those grill marks. Those grill marks are from the griddle. That's the large cast iron reversible griddle. But check that out. Now put that right over the flame. I started some of them out over here just on the rack. You got direct heat right under that. As long as you got that griddle there, this is going to be some kind of delicious chicken. So it's smoked slash barbecued slash deliciousness on that cast iron. So this is another piece of gear that I really enjoy using. And both of these pieces of gear from Lodge Manufacturing. And folks, that's a Lodge 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. For both of those pieces of gear, folks, that's made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. That's all you need for cooking and barbecue right there. My goodness. If I were going to settle down somewhere, you know, I like to stay expeditionary. I really do. With that cast iron, it's heavy. It's hard to be expeditionary with cast iron, admittedly. So I'm hesitant, but there is one more piece of gear. And it's either a 5 quart or a 7 quart cast iron pot where I can make the bigger portions of soup so I can feed more people, obviously. But that 5 quart or even that 7 quart, it is huge. Great piece of gear, but it is heavy. If you ever try to move with it, my God. This is heavy. So if I ever get somewhere where I'm settled, I know I'm gonna be there for a while. I want to get that big Lodge 7 quart pot. You can put a whole chicken in there. I think you put 2 whole chickens in there. Maybe not in America because the chickens are a lot bigger, but the chickens here, you put 2 chickens. I don't know, maybe 3. Hey, buddy, Ro, away from my grill, boy. Sweetie, do you have homework?
Yes, we have homework.
No homework? She had a day off today from school. Look at that, look at that. So the kids had a day off today from school. Yesterday, she just checked the messages, whatever, on the group for Maria's school. And somebody sent a copy of the mayor's order. And it basically said, hey, all government buildings, public school, private school, it's closed September 8th for, what was it, baby? The Virgin somebody of Pampanga. I guess there was going to be a big festival down in San Fernando. 66th anniversary of some virgin. Folks, I don't know. I'm not reading it. I don't know. All I know is that Maria didn't have school today, so all the kids had a day off. Government workers had a day off. Thanks to the mayor's decree, executive order, whatever it was, basically said, hey, everybody is off so they can go attend those festivities. I think it was in San Fernando. I think down in San Fernando. I don't know. You know why? Because I don't have it in front of me. I just know we got up this morning trying to figure out whether or not Maria had to go to school. And I sent the truck driver up there. said, hey man, go up there and see if the school's open or closed. Then I'll know. He's like, nope, it's closed. I let the temperature go down a little bit. So I just put some of those cherry wood chips on there. And then you just fan it here. And folks, this is a smoker, so that's the firebox when you smoke, right? But this is a storage box, and I use this thing every night as a barbecue grill. Because smoking is an art, and it takes so long and so much attention. But for every night, I just use this thing as a barbecue grill. So now,
Run for a third.
all right,
350.
got it back up there, no problem. Shooting on this old Sony RX100 Mark V. It was sold as the 4K camera that don't shoot 4K. So I've been forcing this thing to go to work on 1080 60. And today, usually it does pretty good on that setting, even though it's supposed to be a 4K camera. But even in this heat, today it was overheating. You know, I talk about camera stuff from time to time, and I'll keep this brief. If a damn camera overheats, it's useless. It's absolutely useless, because now the camera is telling you when you can go to work, when you can film. The camera is in control, not you. One of the biggest things to me is, will that camera overheat? And if the answer is yes, it's junk. It's absolute junk. And that's just my opinion. However, on that live stream, that marathon live stream, this camera stayed on the entire time. Now that's in an air-conditioned room, and it's output 1080, and it's not recording. It's just putting the HDMI output. Yes, ma'am. Well, folks, let me show you something just to illustrate a point. A lot of times when you move into an apartment or a townhouse or a house over here, there'll just be a hole in the wall like that, where the air conditioning unit doesn't come with the unit. It's not included, so you have to buy your own, bring your own, and therefore obviously when you leave you're going to take it with you. You may rent a place over here and it's just got a hole in the concrete, and that's where you got to put your window unit. If you don't have a window unit, you got to go buy one, or put you a piece of plywood across that hole, because that hole is going to be open until somebody else rents the unit. Okay, just like this right here. Now, you know, our place here came with all these units, but our place over there in Barretto did not. It just had a hole. So we had to go out and buy one of these window units. And what you try to do to make it easy on yourself is measure the hole and buy a unit that fits the hole. Because if not, then you got to chisel that stuff out. Get some kuyas with some a hammer and a nail, and they'll chisel that stuff out, make a big huge mess for you. And it's much easier, as long as it's enough horsepower to do what you need it to do. Just measure the hole and buy one that'll fit in the hole. Look at this beautiful supermodel here, folks. Man, I've been reading the comments, and everybody has been missing Fatima as the main supermodel. I didn't know how much y'all love looking at my beautiful wife number 2. Baby, the violence, I gotta edit that out. Pay 20 pesos. Cause I like. Look at that. In the lodge. 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. That piece of gear right there is made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. You thirsty?
Yes.
Okay, there you go, sweetie girl. Can you get the lid off? Try it. See if you can do it. You're doing it. There you go. These babies. Got one chugging the water and one chugging the Coke. Forrest G loves to drink a Coke.
Me, yank mother, baby, yank, do it.
Yes, ma'am. And this one right here, she like to drink that Red Horse.
No.
I'm just kidding. She don't drink, folks. She ain't never drank. I'm talking about she tried to drink one time. Folks, we're going to go ahead and eat, but I want to thank y'all for joining us on today's video. But Fatima did try to drink one time, and I think it was Helen of Troy that put her up to it. There you go right there.
You have to sit with mommy.
Look at that.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's eat, everyone. Forrest G, using your hair as a napkin, boy. Look at that right there. Right on my face.
Yummy, Daddy.
Thank you, sweetie.
You, Dad.
Thank you, honey. Mama Tima cooks good too. Mama Tima's prepared all this. Papa was just the grill man tonight.
Happy Dad.
Oop, that carrot.
Careful, Daddy.
Oops, I gotta go eat. I gotta go eat. Look at that chicken. You know it's focusing on my face. I'm trying to hide behind. Look at that chicken. Delicious. See y'all on the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Peace out, my friends.